city's vibrant food scene thrives on fresh, local ingredients, and the poke bowl perfectly embodies this philosophy. This Hawaiian dish has become a Miami favorite, offering a delicious and healthy way to fuel your adventures. Ingredients: base, brown rice, high in fiber and complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, or quinoa, a complete protein source with all 9 essential amino acids. Protein: seared ahi tuna, rich in omega-3 fatty acids for heart and brain health, or tofu, a plant-based protein packed with iron and calcium. Veggies: edamame, excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber, cucumber, refreshing and hydrating, sliced avocado, healthy fats and antioxidants, shredded carrots, vitamin A boost. Toppings: pickled ginger, adds a tangy zip, seaweed salad, rich in iodine and essential minerals, sesame seeds, healthy fats and a nutty flavor, a drizzle of sriracha mayo, optional, for a spicy kick. Preparation for health: use high-quality ingredients. Opt for sushi-grade tuna and organic vegetables whenever possible. Limit added sugars and unhealthy fats. Choose a light dressing, like a low-sodium soy sauce and sesame oil mixture, and go easy on the sriracha mayo. Highlight the fresh flavors. Let the natural taste of the fish and vegetables shine through. Tailor it to your needs. Add extra protein with chopped shrimp or edamame, or boost your fiber intake with chopped kale or microgreens. Don't forget the hydration. Pair your poke bowl with a glass of water or unsweetened iced tea. Health benefits: high in protein, keeps you feeling full and satisfied, promoting healthy weight management. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, supports heart and brain health. Fiber-filled, aids digestion and promotes gut health. Packed with vitamins and minerals, provides essential nutrients for overall well-being. Customizable, you can adjust ingredients to meet your dietary needs and preferences. So, the next time you're in Miami, ditch the fried options and grab a poke bowl, a delicious, healthy, and energizing way to experience the city's vibrant food scene. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures that nourish your mind, body, and soul. See you soon.